From the beginning, Pakuwon had set a strong lead for a remarkable journey with a strategic roadmap that was guided by a clear vision to sustain growth, create value, and to always lead with integrity, until now. And today, Pakuwon is one of the largest property companies in Indonesia, focusing on 5 core property businesses consisting of malls, more than 850,000 square meters in LA, landed houses, with expanding development of more than 1,100 hectares, high-rise housing, with more than 16,000 apartment units, office towers, managing more than 290,000 square meters GSA, and hotels, with more than 2,400 hotel rooms. We believe that collaboration is the key to our success. We continue to forge strong partnerships with leading industry players, financial institutions, and local governments to drive our projects forward and deliver exceptional value to our stakeholders. Our flagship developments are the proof of our dedication, upholding the highest standards of corporate governance, operational excellence, and business resilience. Despite the global challenge, we continue to deliver significant strides, developments that not only contribute to our portfolio, but also to the national economic growth and urban lifestyles transformation. Incorporate cutting-edge technology, smart infrastructure, and architectural brilliance to meet the evolving needs of communities. Our hard work and commitment has been well acknowledged by many, with numerous honors and recognition for many of our corporate actions and business activities throughout the journey. We are implementing technology that support environmental sustainability to ensure that our growth is always beneficial for the majority. Always moving hand in hand in collaboration, with PT Pakuwon Jati Tbk, together we grow.